Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make an oatmeal shake. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of rolled oats, which form the nutritious base. Then, grab 1 cup of your preferred milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative, to achieve the perfect consistency. Don't forget 1 ripe banana for natural sweetness and a creamy texture, plus 1 tablespoon of nut butter for a boost of healthy fats. Now, let's elevate your oatmeal shake with some fantastic additions. For an extra protein punch, consider adding 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. A 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon can introduce a warm, inviting flavor and some beneficial antioxidants. To boost your omega-3 intake, toss in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And for a hidden dose of greens, a small handful of spinach blends in seamlessly without affecting the taste. Achieving the perfect texture is key for a delicious oatmeal shake. Start by adding all your chosen ingredients into a high-speed blender. Blend on high for about 60 to 90 seconds, ensuring all the oats are completely smooth and integrated. If you prefer a colder, thicker shake, toss in a few ice cubes before blending. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of liquid to reach your ideal consistency. Once your oatmeal shake is perfectly blended, it's time to enjoy your nutritious creation. Carefully pour the shake into your favorite glass. For a touch of visual appeal, you can garnish it with a light sprinkle of oats or a few slices of fresh fruit. This shake is best enjoyed immediately to savor its freshness and maximize its nutritional benefits. It's a fantastic way to get sustained energy for several hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.